Hey guys, it's your boy Johan and welcome to my channel Fatso. And in today's video, let us unbox a new pair of sneakers. So let's get started. Okay guys, so in today's video we have a pair of sneakers from Puma, which is a Redbull Racing Evo sneakers. So the price on this sneaker is around 7,000, but I got this shoe on Myntra at the end of recent sale for about 2,500 rupees, which was a great deal for me. So these are the sneakers from Puma X Redbull Racing Evo sneakers. So the color is navy blue and the outer material is mesh and the sole material is rubber over here. So you have a branding over here that is the Red Bull Racing Formula 1 team badge, which is well stitched over here. So over here we have some details of Puma, that is an barcode scanner, art number, this shoe is made in Vietnam, and we have a size chart on this shoe. So my biggest concern on this shoe is on the wordings right over here, because when you watch this shoe, right, this wording might goes off and this will be the major disadvantage on this shoe. So rest, these are the great looking shoes. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. Do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.